I'm a Boer, but I find it absolutely astonishing that it is me that have to tell you these things. You should ask yourself, why? Why must a Boer tell you these things? We're sitting today in a situation where the fucking government, the ANC cabal, can interfere in who must be the king of the Zulus. How the fuck did that happen? And then, that Zulu king needs a fucking certificate from Cyril to be the king of the Zulus. What the hell went wrong with you guys? Have you lost all your fucking pride? That politicians. No? What are you going to do about it? You are powerless. You are sitting there, weak, and you see how your culture is being destroyed, how your heritage is being destroyed, how your king has been reduced to a puppet. Where are you, the young men, the Zulu men? How did you allow this pathetic fucking ANC taking the balls out of your nation? How did that happen? Why are you allowing it? And fuck the politicians, because they're all part of the same bloody circus. You, the ordinary Zulu men, look what is being done to your tribe. You see us, the Boere, fighting like hell to preserve our culture. Why are you not doing it? You are 10, 15, 20 times more than us. But you sit like weak, underfed puppies, waiting for some putu, while your nation is being destroyed. Can you not see that that is the plan of the XXX cabal? To destroy your culture, to destroy your families. Because then you're no longer a tree standing in the veld that can withstand the storms and withstand the droughts and all of that. You are now a pot plant sitting on someone's patio, and they can fucking move you where they want you. And if they're done with you, they just stop giving you water and you die. That is what you have allowed to happen to your nation. You allowed that. You watched as they took your culture away from you, as they destroy everything that is Zulu. How the fuck did you allow that to happen? Look at how we, the Boere, a small number of people, how we are fighting for survival of our culture. But we are willing to fight. I don't see Zulus willing to fight for their culture, fight for their nation, fight for their king. You watched and you see how your king has been reduced to a fucking puppet. He's no longer a king. Look at this image. Again, this was a king. What the fuck do you have now? So, take note. Your nation has been decultured already. Another generation and nobody would even know about Zulus. You used to be a proud nation. You fought the British, just as the Boere fought the British, and you fucked the British up. What happened to that nation? Now you're sitting there like puppies, waiting for Ramaphosa and the ANC to feed you some putu. What the fuck is that? Grow some balls. Take back your pride. Take back your culture. Take back your fucking Zulu being. Become Zulus again. Because what is happening currently, the Zulus will disappear eventually. And you young men, you are allowing it to happen. Trust me, once you've lost your tribal roots, and you've lost your cultural roots, you're done. That is how nations are being destroyed, by fucking their culture up. This is what this sick fucking XXX is doing all over the world. making people believe that men can have babies. There's no difference in sexes. Kak like that. How did it happen, Zulu? How? Why did you allow this rotten ANC cabal, under instruction from XXX, to destroy your nation? While you are sleeping and boozing and chasing women, Malema has already said that they want to take the Nkonyama Trust. That is your Zulu land. Malema wants that land for the government. Are you going to allow him to take it? Because he's saying he's going to take it. There's ANC guys that talks the same talk. They want to dissolve the Nkonyama Trust. That is your tribal land. But from what I have seen, how you have sat with no objections, your king being reduced to a fucking puppet. Same way, Ramaphosa and Malema is going to take Zululand away from you. That's what they're going to do. If you don't fight for your Zululand, nobody is going to do it. They're just going to take it. Imagine that. The state owning all your land. Is that what you want? Well, it looks like that is what's going to happen. I cannot understand this. I cannot understand it. Can you not see what have they done to the Boere already? They have stolen all the mineral rights from the Tswanas. They're going to do the same to you. The same! You better wake up. These guys don't give a shit for you. All they want is money and power. That is what they want. Look how the textile industry has been destroyed in Zululand. How many thousands of people has lost their jobs in Southern Natal? And what have you done about it? Fuck all. You did fuck all. You just accepted it. But they keep you busy with shit. They keep you busy with racism cuck. They keep you busy protesting in the streets and burning trucks and burning tires and cuck like that. And you think you're doing something. All you're actually doing is you executing their instructions. Because they need that chaos so that they can steal. You breaking into a shop and stealing a TV or a fridge, that's fuck all. Those politicians, while you're busy keeping everybody busy with your looting, they are stealing your future.